most beautiful things in all the universe. The one thing that makes our planet special. These are our treasures, the lifeline of our planet. Without them, we can't exist.
So you're saying that there's nothing that we can do to prevent our environment from totally being eradicated?
Just one. Protect our tree.